So there are a bunch of features in Teleport that nobody really knows about, so I'm just gonna kind of walk you through them here right now so that you know that they're there and you can utilize them to grow your 3D printing business. So Teleport is a print-on-demand app. You can plug it into your Etsy store, and when you get an order, a giant print farm with hundreds of machines print that item and ship it straight to your customer for you, which is already super cool because you can sell one item a month or 10,000 items a month, and you never have to run a print farm. So you don't have to check out nozzles or machines or fill pack boxes or any of that. You have 3D printed drop shipping. And that is amazing, but it's not really a secret about Teleport. Teleport is the only one to actually be able to do that is fully supported by a farm with hundreds to thousands of machines. That is a secret nobody knows. Any other print service is either using a network or it has some guy with 10 machines in the back room or something along those lines. Teleport is supported by hundreds and thousands of machines and multiple facilities going in. But let's actually get into the features that are more useful to you. The Easter eggs that are so secret inside of Teleport. Many people don't realize that, first of all, Teleport is free. The free tier of Teleport is totally free. You can set up the shipping, you can set up the Teleport itself for zero cost, and that goes up to 30 orders. If you pass 30 orders, then there is a $10 fee for the shipping service, but if you're getting started out, that's totally fine. If you can sell 30 things, then the $10 expense doesn't matter once you get going there. But Teleport is totally free. There is a subscription tier, but that gives you access to third-party components. And that leads to the next little secret of Teleport. Teleport allows you to include third-party parts with your prints. There is a list of items inside of Teleport that you can view inside of the prototyper or go to the blog and the SlantPod website and see them all. There are things like light pucks, wireless chargers, photography screw, thumb screws, that kind of stuff. There's all kinds of these nifty little add-ons, magnets, all these things that can be thrown in the box with your 3D printed parts so that you're not just selling a vase or a cookie cutter, but actually a phone charger or a piece of industrial design or a lamp. You have the ability to do all of this stuff and make your products way more valuable. And people don't really utilize the third-party components that much because it's so odd that we have this already. We're not just printing parts, we are allowing you to sell products that are way more interesting than they ever were before. The next little secret is the prototyper. People always kind of wonder how much their part will cost and if they can get samples for it. Yeah, there's literally a little light bulb over on the side, and you click that and then you can select your file in all the colors that you want. You can select some third-party components and you can just order an order from yourself right there. You can also use the prototyper as like a custom part fulfillment system if you want to where like you plug it into your business and then you paste people's addresses into there and send them custom orders. So people have been using it that way, which we didn't really intend, but it's a little secret that you can do because again, it's free to use. Just go in there, upload a bunch of files, and then you can select the file and copy in the address for the person and send it straight to them. As we don't really recommend that, but people are doing it. The next little secret, parts are quoted as soon as you upload them. Inside of the file system, if you go into Teleport, again, you can sign up for free, skip everything, and get right into Teleport, and you can upload a bunch of 3D models. Those 3D models will appear inside a list over in the Files tab, and if you click the little button over on the right, it will pop open a preview of your file, stats about your file, and the cost to print your file right there in that window. That is the cost for the part to be made and put into a box for you. It doesn't include shipping because we don't know where it's shipping to, and shipping changes cost depending on if it's going from here to there or from here to there. So shipping isn't there, but you can generally estimate that shipping is like $5 for a pound and like 10 to 12 bucks for over a pound. That's a good place to start for your budgeting. But you can get the exact cost of the part inside of Teleport, and then you can bill shipping to the customer if you want to at checkout, and then that all comes out in the wash. But most people don't realize that right there in the Files tab, you can just click on it and that will instantly give you the price of that part. The last little secret that we really don't tell anybody about because this one hurts us a bunch is instant refund, infinite refund. If you go to the completed orders tab, you will see all of your orders lined up right there. And next to each one of them is a cancel refund button, which allows you to cancel an order and get your money back forever. I mean that, forever. We could print the item, ship it to your customer, that customer give you a 5-star review, and then 5 years from now, you could click that button and instantly get your money back. We have decided to do this because number one, it makes sure that you can actually trust us. If you have full control of the money that you're paying us, that means that you can actually know that we are held accountable. We can't charge you for a bunch of stuff and then wander into the night. you literally get to just hit the button and get your money back. And that makes sure that we stay honest and work hard to continue to earn your business every single day. You are able to hold us accountable forever. Now, obviously we track this. So if you were a fraudster and you went in there and ordered a bunch of stuff, had it all delivered, and then canceled every single order inside of there, we're probably gonna flag and kill your account because that's abuse of the system. But if you're a regular user, this makes sure that we know and understand that there is a problem with that order. A one-star review hurts, sure, fine, whatever, but again, there are thousands of users here, and lots of people like it just fine, so we would ignore those. But if you're able to take your money back out of our wallet, that makes sure that we pay attention. And if it's going in the wrong direction, we will definitely fix it because we would go out of business. When we built Teleport, we wanted to make sure that it's something that people can build their business on top of and trust. And there's no better way of saying trust than saying, okay, thank you for the money. If you ever want it back, take it. Because that's how you hold us accountable. It's fully your decision. We don't even have a questionnaire on it yet to say, why are you doing a refund? You can just hit the button and the refund will go through. And this is probably one of the biggest secrets for people on Teleport, but also one of the most important that we are really proud of because we're able to do it, and we think it's really important that we do it because no one has ever done it before. And it's such a valuable thing to make sure that our incentives are aligned with you. If you are successful, we are successful. If we mess up, you make sure we know, and you get your money back out of us. So that's how we deal with it. So hopefully that gave you some secrets around Teleport. Comment down below if there's other nifty tricks that you found inside of Teleport or other things that you would like to know about Teleport. Have a great day, everybody.